Hello YouTubers, what I have here is a Carrier 8300, 8700, 8700 I think, 1000 BTU Carrier. So yeah, 8,700 BTUs, it's pretty strong. The compressor's loud as fuck on startup, but once it gets going it runs very good. These things are designed for that thing to pop out on impulse, so we'll see what happens. That's your thermostat. Take a look at the controls quick. I have the feathers running, so I might not be hot enough for the compressor to kick on, but we'll find out in a minute. Of all the like 4 or 5 units of these I pulled out of the Wells Fargo building, this is the only one that the grill is still in decent shape. I have it kind of ghetto rigged right now because this unit's not staying here. My Admiral's actually going here, but I figured I'd do the demo while I have it on. So I got out back here. How do you like that ghetto fabulous setup? It's a 9-vent Carrier. That was a 9-vent. Got this cleared out today. But yeah, before any of the comments come in, no, this is not for sale. I'm keeping it, it's mine. Local, fan. These push buttons are awesome. Gotta clean the grill up a little bit. And this Carrier here, not a Cosmopolitan, but it still is pretty freaking cool. And it's got the plain design. I actually wish my Cosmopolitan was a plain design too, but oh well.